So here's the stock side. And then the dynamic. Quick look at the dynamic turn signals while the car is off. Passenger side and driver side. Looks a lot sleeker. Super easy install, 2 T10 bolts. And the rest you pretty much just snap on and off. Put them both on. Driver side. Looks much better. And super simple. There we go. What are you doing, Sam? Also, this is the company I got it from. It was on Amazon, but that's who it shipped out from. Came in a box just like this. Super simple, just had the 2 turn signals, but it also came with this little plastic pry tool, which is super nice because I didn't have one. So I didn't have to use a screwdriver for the whole thing.